So today I'm going to be turning this old pallet into my version of an Anywhere case for my iPad Pro, using hand tools only. Step 1. Dismantle the pallet. Okay, now that the pallet has been dismantled, it's time to make the slats nice and smooth. And the reason why I'm putting my hand plane through this abuse is I was in the shop listening to the Workshop Banter podcast when I heard Matt and Keith say,
"Make something from a pallet or don't. We don't care either way."
And the project can be absolutely anything.
Yeah, as long as it's a chair.
If you want to do a YouTube video, even better, fantastic.
So, here we are. With the boards all smooth, it was time to trim them to length. At this point I wasn't sure on the exact style I was going for, but I had a rough idea of the dimensions and I knew what I wanted to carry. To make the case stronger, I decided to cut the lengths into 2 cm slats before gluing them back together into panels. The inspiration for this build came from the very cool Herman Millar Anywhere Case, designed by Jones & Partners. Go check those guys out over Instagram. And if this one turns out okay, I think I might make another as a toolbox, but only this time not out of pallet wood. With the strips all sorted, it was glue up time. To make the build a bit more interesting, I settled on a design with curved sides, which meant planing a slight angle on several slats to create the desired curve. With the panels all done, I glued them together and called it a night. The next morning, it was just a matter of cleaning up the outer surfaces, trimming it to the finished height, and sticking a top and bottom on it. Now it's all super smooth, it's time to paint. Cutting an angled lid on a box with curved sides with a handsaw is a pretty tricky thing to do, so I sacrificed an old ruler to use as a guide to get the cut started. And as I was carefully cutting my way through the lid, I heard the dreaded click of my camera shutting off. Luckily, I was also filming on my phone and managed to capture the shot. the scary part over, it was just a matter of smoothing off some edges and adding the finishing touches. However, I still needed to make a handle